Welcome to today's video where we will be tackling a common problem that many developers face when setting up a custom npm registry. The problem at hand is that after configuring a local HTTP registry and installing a package, a crucial file, in this case Model.ts, is missing. Now let's dive into the solution. The key to resolving this issue is to ensure that a subdirectory called package is created within the TGZ file. Additionally, the main file within the package must be an ECMAScript file. By following these steps, you can ensure that all necessary files are included when installing the package. In summary, by creating a package subdirectory and setting the main file to an ECMAScript file within the TGZ, you can successfully install the package without any missing files. I hope this solution has been helpful to you. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!